Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So it is Wednesday. We have Wish Wednesday actually. So you wish for songs and I'll bring them up here on Gordon Guitar. So this time we have Pickle Nickel. You wished for No One Knows by Sanchez and Laufey. So yeah, nice collaboration there. Steven, we had him before on Gordon Guitar. Laufey, it's the first time. Anyway, let's look at this together. Now, we have no need for any cape on this one. And there are chords in the background of this song, of course, but we will use a picking style here. So I will just mention the chords or so, but I will give you the actual grips for this song here. And the main part is about 4 different grips, and then we have some chorus or bridge parts, 2 spots in this song. I'm not sure what we're gonna call them, but anyway. And besides from that, it's the main play here, about 4 different grips. So let's start with the grips now. We have first the F. What you can do here is to place a bar on the 1st fret, just like that, over all strings, and then you just add the 2nd fret on the G string. All right, that's the first grip, and you're gonna play this. Okay, and that is how you're gonna handle all the chords and grips when it comes to the playing here. Just different strings of chords and grips, but anyway, the style is the same. So you're gonna play 1st fret on the E string, and then you pick the 2nd G and 1st B together for 2 times. Then comes a clap, and then you pick the 2nd G and 1st B together once, like this. And that is the pattern. So bass, then the 2 strings, and clap, and the 2 strings once. So that's the F. Then we have the A minor parts. So you're gonna hold like this, 2nd on D, 2nd on G, and 1st on B. You're gonna play this part. You see, the playing is pretty much the same, the pattern. So you're gonna play now the 2nd D string as the new bass. Then you're gonna pick the 2nd G and 1st B together for 2 times. Then clap. And again, 2nd G and 1st B for 1 time together. And then we have something that is based upon the A sharp chord. We'll go up this far to the 6th fret on E string, then the 7th fret on the G, and 8th fret on B. Perhaps it sounds hard, but it's actually pretty convenient for hand. It comes like in order, like the hand is built or so, if you have normal hands like I think I have or so. Anyway, so you're gonna play still the same pattern. So now you're gonna play the 6th fret on E string, that's the new bass, then the 7th G together with the 8th B for 2 times, and then clap, and 1 extra time on the 7th G and 8th B together. All right. And you're gonna stay with the A sharp chord, but now just a different grip. You're gonna recuperate your fingers to this. So that will be still 6 on E string in the bass, then 6 on B, and 5th on the E. Okay, you're gonna play this part. So that is 6 on E string, and then you're gonna play 6B together with 5th E together 2 times. Then clap, and guess what? 1 extra time on the 6B and 5th E. And that is 1 round of this chord progression, and that makes up for about 90% of this song. So I'm gonna take you through this slow, nice and slow, so you really hear what's going on here. Let's go from F to A minor and to the 2 A sharps. That is 1 round. You speed up just a notch and you have the standard tempo, something like this. right? Then at 2 spots there, I mentioned them. Then you're gonna switch it up a little bit. Now you have this at 1 minute and 39 seconds into the song, but you have also the same part played, which you're gonna look at now, at 2 minutes and 20 seconds in, all right? So it starts with a G minor. And what you can do here, just to place a bar on the 3rd fret over all strings. You're gonna still follow the same pattern, all right? So now you're gonna play this part. 3rd fret E string, and then you're gonna play 3rd B and 3rd E together for 2 times, and the clap, and again 3rd B and 3rd E. Okay, then we're gonna go to the C-based grip here, and it looks like this and sounds. So that is 3rd on A string. Then you're gonna play the 1st B and 3rd E together for 2 times. Clap, and again, 1st B and 3rd E 1 time. Then we're gonna play the F, and it's played in the same way as we played it in the main part, so. And then we have the D chord. It's like this. So that is open D string. And then you're gonna play 3rd B together with 2nd E for 2 times. Then clap. And 3rd B and 2nd E 1 time. And then you're gonna continue with the G minor. Again, the same as you started. So, with the bar on the 3rd fret. And then you're gonna play the C again in the same way as we played before. And then you're just gonna end with the A sharp we used in the main part, this version. And pick the strings E, B, and the E, which you're using for this playing. You have a pause there, and then you go back to the main parts. So this bridge or chorus, whatever we're gonna call it, at 1 minute and 39 seconds, and also in 2 minutes and 20 seconds into the song, goes like this slowly. Pause. And then comes No One Knows or something like this. And so on. All right, guys. So that pretty much covers Steven Sanchez and Laufey's No One Knows. This was special for you, Pickle Nickel, but also for all you fans here of perhaps Steven or Laufey or maybe even Gordon Guitar. I don't know. Thank you for watching, guys. Keep on wishing here on Gordon Guitar. I do my best to fulfill your wishes. Till next time, play tuned.